Hi friends, my name is Nilesh Fadke, your learning partner in finance and accounts. In this video, we will learn how to rectify the error passed by an accountant while passing journal entry. As you are aware that each and every transaction related to business is recorded in the books of accounts in the form of journal entries. Sometimes accountant make mistakes while passing these journal entry. So these need to be rectified. With this example, we will understand how to pass rectification entries and how to correct the error made by an accountant. So here we go.
Rectification of error. Furniture sold for cash rupees 3500 recorded wrongly as sale of goods. So first wrong we will write. So in profit and loss account, sales is recorded 3500. Total expense is 0. So profit, that is A minus B, is 3500. Opening retained earning is 0. So closing retained earning is 3500. Now this closing retained earning appears on the balance sheet liability side as 3500. We carry this to this. So total liabilities is 3500. At the same time on the balance sheet asset side, cash is recorded to the extent of 3500. So total assets is 3500. So total liability 3500 and total assets is also 3500 and our balance sheet tally. In the next table we will write what is right, that is correct. So sales is 0, total expense is 0, profit A minus B is 0, retained earning is 0. So furniture sold for cash rupees 3500. So furniture balance reduces as it is sold. So furniture minus 3500. However, cash is increased due to sale of furniture. So cash 3500. So minus 3500 plus 3500 and total assets is 0. So total liability is 0, total assets is 0 and our balance sheet tallies. Now let us do rectification. So rectified, that is right minus wrong. So sales right is 0, sales wrong is 3500. So 0 minus 3500 is minus 3500. Profit A minus B is minus 3500. Opening retained earning is 0, closing retained earning is 0. Closing retained earning is minus 3500, that is minus 3500 profit plus opening retained earning. So closing retained earning is minus 3500. So we will carry this minus 3500 here on the balance sheet liability side. So total liabilities is minus 3500. Furniture is also minus 3500, that is right minus wrong. So minus 3500 minus 0 here on the balance sheet asset side of wrong table. So minus 3500 minus 0 is minus 3500. Cash is 0, that is 3500 minus 3500. So it is 0. So total liability is minus 3500, total assets is minus 3500 and thus our balance sheet tallies. Now let us pass journal entry based on the rule of AID, ARC, LIC, LRT. Now here retained earning is reducing by 3500. So liability reduces debit, that is LRD, liability reduces debit. So retained earning will be debited by 3500. However, whenever retained earning is affected in any transaction, you do not directly write the word retained earning. Rather, you write a transaction which is affecting this retained earning. That is sales in this case. So sales account debited 3500. At the same time on balance sheet asset side, furniture is reducing to the extent of 3500. So rule is ARC, that is assets reduces credit. So to furniture 3500. Narration is being correction entry. Thus, we have passed necessary rectification of error entry related to furniture sold for cash rupees 3500 but recorded wrongly as sale of goods.
Thus to conclude, what we can say is that any type of rectification can be passed by a model of 3 steps. First step is you have to prepare a table of profit and loss account where you will plot wrong amounts. Then you have to prepare second table with the corrected amount where you will plot the correct amount in profit and loss account and balance sheet. And then you will plot a third table of profit and loss account and balance sheet where you will pass the rectified amount, that is right amount minus wrong amount. And based on the rule of AID, ARC, LIC, LRD, you can pass any type of journal entry.